Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through how to use the Wigger's diagram. A Wigger's diagram is a visual representation of the simultaneous events that happen during a cardiac cycle displayed on a single diagram. It's an educational tool to help medical students understand what happens during a cardiac cycle in each section of the heart. In a Wigger's diagram, one can expect to see waves that show the changes in pressure and volume in the artery, atrium, and ventricle, an ECG that reflects the changes of pressure and volume, a phonocardiogram which shows the different heart sounds that reflect the shutting of a valve. The diagram itself is standardized, which means it looks the same no matter where you obtain a copy. It's useful when you learn visually. On our template, you'll see the Wigger's diagram, sections where you can take notes on the observed ECG, cardiac cycle phase, aortic pressure waves, ventricular pressure wave, atrial pressure wave, phonocardiogram, and ventricular volume. Dedicated space at the bottom for any additional notes you may have. To use our Wigger's diagram, follow these steps. Download our Wigger's diagram scale from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Use the designated spot at the bottom for any additional notes. Here is a sample of our Wigger's diagram, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Wigger's diagram, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.